Gulay. Baboy yung sahog. Sana all. Tapos may kamote pa. Kuha ka pa ng sardinas din, oh. Hindi kayo madalas nagugulay sa inyo? Kayo fried chicken.
Yes, we asked him when they received the book. Yeah. Then why he didn't pay the 9 then? The LNS is still not like.
The 10 he didn't pay? The 9.
9. Then he paid.
Maybe it reached already the 10.
No, but 9 had to go only and 10 had to go only.
Join us also.
Iparinig mo sa lahat.
Ay, the longer you record, cannot believe.
Not an outcast. Suman. Okay. Ready. Guys, ready. Ready.
11 Mika.
Oh.
11%.
Karto. Ay, di ko ba ang car? Hindi. Hindi.
You may shoot first.
Okay.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy
birthday,
happy birthday.
happy
birthday to you.
Take. Everyone cannot take it. I need to pass. Come, all of you.
First,
Oh.
good sir.
Give it to him.
Ito sarap po muna ito. Halo-halo to. Mamaya ko na. Ilabas na lang ko. Halo. Hindi siya spit ata. Oh, dami.
Ako muna natin buksan yung pusito.
Wag, okay lang. Okay lang. This is food. Happy birthday, Ate Sar. Happy birthday, Ate Sar.
Thank you, guys.
Sarap ng pusit, oh. Lumpia pa.
Di ba pagkamila ba? Sabi na kung ako rin nadalas pagkamila.
Kasi mo ako tinawag, inaantay ko yung tawag.
Nariring din ako sa dalawang yun, tapos tawagin pa kita.
Sinong dalawang yun? Oh my God! Sino? Sino? Jason.
Bakit biglas lang nag-commit yung mga pwede?
Ito ba yung ano?
Kung nakakano ka naman, kasi
Ang sarap yung kaldereta.
ano ko yun?
Yung may cheese.
Ito, na-artihan daw sa city. So,
Dayan girl, kain ka na.
Ano ba yun?
kumain ka din. Bagong everyday is a new chance. New chance to be a better person. No?
Realize lang ako.
Ano ka, ma'am? Ate, siguro?
Sa time ko, shape na.
Ma'am, butangi ang pansit o kuan sa kaldereta.
Anybody wants fries? It's very yummy. Give to one. Buhay ito Santa Juan. Tumingin na ako.
Nag-raise your hand ka kasi, Mika.
It's yummy, but it's little spicy, yeah? French fries yummy. Do not first.
Can I try?
It's yummy. French fries good. French fries good. French fries spicy. Take it na! I'm hungry.
Thanks.
She's doing it.
This is so Indian.
Very, very good. Sinirat ko na yan.
Huh?
Ayoko.
Ano natin siya yan?
Pero may pagka-Indian din. You like it spice?
Oh, little bit only yan. My tummy is, you know. You know, my tummy right now.
Sa akin lang, kulang sa tamis. Pero ewan ko sa inyo.
Kulang sa tamis.
Oh, para sa akin.
Ewan yan, girl.